At this point, we have our 4 legs glued together. We have one clean edge and one clean face. Our objective is to make these legs perfectly square, and to do that we're going to use the planer. To do this, we're first going to place our good clean edge down on the bed of the planer. The top surface is our rough, uneven surface. We're going to do that with all of the legs, and we're going to set the machine just as we would with any other board that we're running through. Now when I run the legs through the planer, that's going to clean up the top edge, and it's going to be adjusting the width of each of these pieces, because I'm going to be bringing that down and it's going to be a little bit smaller. Next, I'm going to rotate each of the leg pieces 90 degrees so that the cleaned up face is down. And without adjusting any settings on the machine, I'm going to run the leg pieces through, which will clean up the face. Because I did not change the settings on the machine, yet I rotated the legs 90 degrees, right now the legs should be perfectly square. If I measure the legs, I'm at a little bit over 1.75 inches by a little bit over 1.75 inches. So right now the legs are perfectly square. They're just larger in both thickness and width for what I need them to be. Now that I have the legs square, I'm going to bring my machine down, run the edges through first, rotate all of my boards 90 degrees, and without changing any settings, run the faces of the boards through the machine. Again, my boards are perfectly square. The thickness and the width is the exact same measurement. They're just a little bit smaller than they previously were. Now I'm going to keep doing this procedure until the thickness and the width of my legs equals 1.5 inches. When finished, we have 4 legs that measure a thickness of 1.5 inches by a width of 1.5 inches.